Is it?
It's recording. My name is Jacksepticeye
Yep.
and
You're not Jacksepticeye.
I know I'm trying.
Sige na, go!
Ma. Teresa Domingo. American
Good
accent.
morning, everyone.
Box 1 of 2. This is the smaller one. Thanks for sending this, mommy, and
Wait, there's a
happy there. Happy birthday, mommies. It's I know it's 8 there. But it's August 7:30 in the morning. We got this early morning. It was dropped off at his house. Tita Carita.
stop.
Here we go. Ito. Vlogger ka, di ba?
I am not. I am a very good YouTuber.
You're already. You're good. And I added you to the chat group of your section. There's a chat group for your section. Ouch. Ouch. And we are thinking later na yun, after na yun. Very secure. Right.
Okay, a bunch of candy.
Just check it out. There it is.
There's a bunch of candy. Fireball.
Breakfast breaks.
This is fireball.
Check that later. Just check in the camera. Atomic fireball. Lifesavers and stuff. Pillsbury dough
Circuit peanuts.
to make
Circuit peanuts.
cookies.
Circuit peanuts.
Why are you showing
Circuit peanuts. Ooh, Kit Kats.
Kit Kats? Milky Way shit. Circus peanuts again.
More Kit Kats. More Kit Kats.
Kit Kat. Twix. Oh, that's work. Twix.
What else?
Milk chocolate.
There's another one.
Milk chocolate. Musketeers.
More Musketeers.
Milky Way. Twix.
Labas lahat.
I think this is the imported version of Stick-O. Musketeers.
A knife. What is this?
Oh, this is licorice sticks.
What is this?
Licorice sticks.
What is this?
That's a peeler. A peeler. No. This is Reese's peanut butter.
Reese's.
Reese's peanut butter. Chocolates. Some more chocolates.
I think this is a candy cane.
Chocolates again.
This is a candy cane.
Milky Way. Chocolates.
And then the candy cane.
Hard candy. I still have this. Milky Way.
Oh my god. There's a lot.
Miniature chocolate candies.
There's a lot.
Hershey's.
There's a lot of candy canes.
Oh, put the candy cane there.
Oh, there's even more.
Put the candy cane over there. Chocolate sticks dip.
More chocolate.
Licorice.
More chocolate.
Milky Way. Milk chocolate. Fruit juice. This is
Dark
good.
dark chocolate.
Tea. Oh, tea, Mama. There's a lot of tea.
A piece of wood. A piece of wood.
Piece of wood.
That's not wood. That's cardboard.
I don't care. I am a stupid
Candies.
Hey, mind cutting that out?
Imported sticko.
More candy.
Is there Nutella in there?
Mama's gonna love this. The Nutella. This is just candies.
Why are there so many candy canes?
No.
You know, mom, your Lola just puts it all there. Baby Ruth. Baby Ruth. Oh, see?
I
Baby
am
Ruth.
an idiot.
Oh, put it back inside there. Halls. Oh, there's
A
halls.
bunch of lollipops that
Halls.
spilled out the container by me.
Fruit shoes. Miniature Hershey. Pretzels. Small pretzels.
More fruit chews.
Tea. Tea.
A Milky Way.
Ruby.
Hey, I don't like. No, nothing. No.
And a whole lot of lollipops.
Throw them over.
With,
The candy canes.
and, oh, Mama, this is the one you like. Oh.
Why are there so many candy canes?
Okay, that's it for this box, you know.
Just spill the lollipops.
Like, subscribe, and
Hit
hit the notification bell.
Stop saying notification bell.
And
Subscribe.
say bye-bye.
Top of the